$500. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC and you want a PC for gaming, video editing and for everything else, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So for the processor, we are choosing the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. This one costs around $178, and as you can see, this processor have more than 3000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. And our reason for choosing this processor is this one has a 4.6 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you an excellent performance while gaming. As you know, single core performance matters the most while gaming, and it also have 8 core and 16 thread, which will give you excellent performance in productive level softwares like Premiere Pro. And another best thing about this processor is it comes with integrated Vega 8 graphics, which is very powerful compared to its Intel counterpart. And this Vega 8 graphics will allow you to play modern games like GTA 5, Valorant, Fortnight easily and smoothly at 1080p resolution. So what else do you need from a CPU that costs only $178? Then for the motherboard, we are choosing the Gigabyte B550M DS3H. It costs around $100, and for $100 you are getting the latest B550M motherboard. And also this motherboard is a bang for your buck because it has 4 RAM slots where you will be able to use dual channel memory configuration. And those of you who don't know, dual channel configuration helps a lot those types of APU based build for getting the best performance out of it. And you will also get a PCIe Gen 3 SSD support where you will be able to use high speed NVMe SSD, so your PC will be super fast. And you will get a small heatsink over the VRM, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as you can see, it has more than 27,000 plus positive reviews, so it's a bang for your buck. Then for the RAM, we are choosing the TMT Force Vulcan ZDDR for 16GB RAM. So those comes with 2 sticks, so each of them are 8GB. So in total we are getting 16GB. And not only those RAMs look sturdy, but also there's an excellent heatsink which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, so your RAMs will run cool even after long time of uses. And as you can see, there's more than 11,000 positive reviews, so you can buy them with confidence. Then for the SSD, you are choosing the Samsung 970 EVO Plus 500GB SSD. This one cost around $70, and as you can see, it has nearly 45,000 plus 4.9 star reviews on Amazon, so you can guess how good this SSD is. This SSD has nearly 3000 to 3500 Mbps read-write speed, which will make your PC significantly faster. Like if I give you a real life scenario, your PC will boot significantly faster, your games will load faster, your softwares will load faster. Overall, if you install this SSD on your PC, you will understand what a fast PC feels like. Then for the power supply, you are choosing the Thermaltake ToughGuard 80 Plus Gold Certified 500 watt power supply. To help you explain easily, this Gold certification means your all the components will be safe with this power supply. Also, if you want to upgrade to external graphics card in future, you can easily do it. Like you can easily add a RTX 3060 in this build in the future if you want to. And last but not least, this has more than 18,000 positive reviews, so you can buy them with full confidence. And last but not least, we are using the Montec Air 100 ARGB micro ATX casing. This one cost around $80, and reason for choosing this casing is you will get 4 pre-installed ARGB fans, so you will be able to change the colors of those fans individually. And as you are getting a mesh front design, so there will be significant airflow inside your case, so all of your components will run cooler. And this case is a white one, but there is also a black one. Buy whichever you want. And finally, all the parts will cost around $538, and with no doubt this will be the best all-rounder PC build in this budget. Thanks for watching.